Okay.
So yeah, that's
Okay. Next one.
Actually, myself, Sandeep here. So I do have around 7 years of experience in all domains. So which is related to 4 years of domain into marketing sector. Then after I worked for Accenture as a SAP SD consultant till 2020. So then after I got layoff from some other reasons and all. So since 2022 till now I didn't work on any proper work. So I do have a career gap. So again I'm looking for a training and placement as well.
How many years of experience in Accenture?
Around 1 year, 7 months,
Okay.
nearby 2 years.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Good. Okay. So my name is Raj, and as per my experience concerned, I have approx 18 to 20 years of experience. Okay. So I have experience in the field of implementation, support, and rollout experience. Okay. So you are comfortable in Hindi language, correct?
Hindi or English
yes.
both, but it's better to in English itself. It's
Okay, no problem. If you want English language. Okay. So how you come to? Do you know anything about SAP? I think Sachin, you already worked in Accenture, right?
no,
No,
Sandeep, Sandeep.
Capgemini.
Sandeep, yeah,
Sun,
Sandeep. Okay, no problem. Sachin, what do you know about SAP? Any just overview I wanted.
no, no, I have no idea about SAP.
Okay. So how you come how you come to know to learn SAP?
Some my friend referrals, and I want to join SD model.
Okay, no issue. So do you know about something about what do you mean by SD, sales and distribution? What do you mean by
Yes, sales and
apart from I'm not talking about SAP, only sales and distribution. What do you know about sales and distribution?
sales and distribution means I have not that much knowledge in that.
No, it is simple. Sales means selling something. Distributing your after
Such as
getting the order for
B2C
the customer, you have
order
that
processing. Yes.
organization or seller has to distribute that product to the customer. Okay, that is
Yeah, right.
in simple language. It is SD only. Okay, that means suppose you want to purchase any of the product from Flipkart or Amazon. Okay, that means as a
Okay.
customer you place the order, or suppose you wanted to have the inquiry, then before placing order you did some inquiry from the Amazon or Flipkart or Big Basket, whatever it is. Okay, so just you inquired, and after that, suppose let's see example that you have some contact and you have to ask for the quotation. Suppose price is already mentioned, right? That price you can say that you receive the quotation. Okay, okay. So in the SAP, the quotation scenario is also there. So quotation means he wanted to know about the product price, like that. Okay.
Right.
After getting the satisfaction, you just place the order. That means you are now interested to purchase the product, and you rejected out of three, you rejected two, and you selected one thing, one seller only. Okay, you place the order. That means on the behalf of your interest, the sales order will be created in SAP. Okay. So after placing the sales order, that one fixed date will be there. In that, goods has to distribute to the customer. Okay, that is called outbound delivery in terms of SAP. Okay, that means whenever they will issue the goods. That means one quantity you purchase, you place the order. That means it will be on the way. Okay, product uh, that one of the executive on the way to distribute that product to you. That is called in terms of SAP, it is PGI, that is post goods issue. Okay, then the moment it will be goods issue will be done, post goods issue will be done. That means whatever stock will be there uh, with the organization, with the seller. Suppose they are having 100 stock, then out of that, after that 100 minus 1, it become 99 with them. Okay, for that product. And one goods issues to you, you receive the goods, and after that, with reference to that outbound delivery, they will raise the invoice to you. Okay, so this is the flow of OTC process. It depends on the client to client, company to company, whether they wanted to start the OTC process from inquiry itself, or they wanted to start from quotation or sales order itself. Before that, I just want to show you one demo in SAP. What do you mean by OTC process? Okay. Recently, I finished the half of the syllabus to one of the batch. Okay, where that one make to stock process completed. There are so many scenarios are there. I will come to that scenario one by one. Okay, let's open to the SAP system. Okay, someone is using. I don't know whether they will disconnect. So let's see one time more. I think someone is using, so it is creating problem. Okay, so cannot solve because maybe sometime after some time I have to. So this is about SD sales and distribution. Means just customer places the order, and based on that order, the goods has to be distributed to the customer. Okay, so on the basis of that delivery, that advance delivery has to be that invoice has to be raised. Okay, so I hope that's Sandeep, right? Sandeep, correct? So I hope you
Yes, yes.
know about the organization structure.
Yes, yes, I do have.
Okay, so okay, I will come these things later. Before that, I will go through that scenario. So this is the SD process or TC process. As I told you that it depends on the client to client whether they wanted to capture the OTC process on the inquiry. Then inquiry will be created and with reference to inquiry quotation, and after that with reference to quotation sales order, further delivery and PGI invoice has to be carried out. So in SAP SD we have so many processes. Okay, so as a before that speaking about the process, I would like to give you the brief about SAP. SAP, the training that you will come to know about, it is for SAP S4 HANA. Okay, S4 HANA is the latest version of ECC. Okay, that after ECC, S4 HANA came into the picture. ECC now the oldest version now in SAP. So, but there are so many clients still using ECC currently. Okay, and few of the clients already move into S4 HANA, and whatever the client they are still using ECC, they have to move into S4 HANA in future. Okay, because later SAP will not support ECC. Okay, so this training would be purely based on the S4 HANA, but I will give you the knowledge about ECC also. That means in that case, what is the difference between ECC and S4 HANA? Everything you will come to know here, and what configuration required for ECC, and what the separate other configuration required for S4 HANA. That also you will come to know. So this is purely about consultant level training. Okay, this is not end user level. Okay, when you're talking about that SAP job profile, there are three types of job profile. Okay, there are end user profile. Okay, and second that super user, and third one consultant. Okay, so end users means end user and super user will be hired from the client level itself. Suppose you are talking about the Colgate, then Colgate is having the end user, they are having the end super user also. End user, the person who is only responsible to create the transaction. Okay, whether the sales order or delivery or PGI invoice, whatever it is. Okay, so each and every modules having their own transaction. SD, this is the process flow that I told you: inquiry, quotation, contract, sales order, delivery, PGI invoice. This is the basics that transaction for the SAP SD module. Like that, there are so many modules are there, like MM, FI, PP. Okay, there are so many other modules are there. Each and every modules have their own separate transactions. Okay, so now coming toward the super user. Super user is the person who is having more knowledge in compare of end user. Okay, then he can at least level one, level L1 level issues they can take care. Okay, and if any issues are coming, they will first approach to the super user. It depends on, again it depends on the client to client, and if they can sort out at their own level, then they can, otherwise they can approach to the consultant. Okay, the consultant is the person who work under the consulting companies like Wipro, Infosys. Okay, like these companies, or so many consulting companies are available. Okay, so they will depute towards that consulting level companies. Okay, So any whatever the issues are there, any then if they cannot sort out, then they will approach the consultant. Okay. Again, that toward the consulting company, there are so many hierarchies are there, but I am only concentrating toward only consultant profile. They are having this consultant, associate consultant, or senior consultant, or team lead, or manager, whatever it is. Okay. So but these three is the basic profile. Okay. So here this training is only for SAP SD, but the basic knowledge apart from SAP SD, just like setting or FI setting or PP setting, whatever setting required that support to SD, that means whatever the setting required to run our OTC process, that knowledge also I will provide you. Okay, additional knowledge. Okay, because without FI setting, we cannot run our OTC process. Without setting, we cannot run our OTC process. Okay. Any question, any doubt up to here?
In the order to cash procedure, so is that compulsory required for FI consultant requirement, right?
Yeah, there's few basic settings are there. Setting is there, FI setting is there, that we have to do it.
In the ECC, we can have access, but in the S4 also they require.
Yeah, everywhere. Yes, CC also, S4 also.
Okay.
S4 is nothing but the advanced level of ECC. Okay. There are few
It's a
things are
cloud-based one,
just
right?
like not cloud based. It depends on the cloud based. It it not. It depends
Okay.
what they are using.
Okay. Okay.
So just like you are having mobile, you are just updating your the version. The same way SAP updating the version of ECC into S4 HANA. Okay. So don't confuse that if high setting is required in ECC, then the same thing will be also applicable to the S4 HANA also. Okay. Don't confuse here. Okay. The transactions are also all same. There are so many things similar in ECC also, S4 HANA also. But few things are there that is not similar. Okay. Okay. Just they upgraded into S4 HANA. Any question? No question, right?
Yes.
Okay, now coming to the SD processes, we have so many processes, like we have make to order process, we have make to stock process. So, anyone, can you tell me what is the difference between make to order and make to stock? Any question? Any idea? This configurable material insert document is a make to stock process, and this is make to order process. Okay. Any question? Any doubt? That the any idea what is the difference between make to order and make to stock?
Order has been placed with the customers, right? So that is the make to order in the
For
process.
everyone, only the order is always placed by customer only. All are orders,
Mm.
customer or whatever it is.
Mm. Yes.
Yeah. So customer is only placing. There no other things are there. Okay. So make to order means you are placing the order as a customer, but the thing is that you want to do some changes that in the toward the existing product. Okay. Suppose you want to purchase any car, then just you wanted to have some that you did some customizing on that. Okay, you told to the customer, that the company, that I want this car in such type of design. Suppose you want to purchase any bed. Okay, the bed is easy. So just you have given the design. Okay, and just you have given the photograph. I want bed in such type of design. Okay, so just that is called make to order process. That you did some customizing. They have so many bed, but you did not like it, and as per your choice, you design the product. Okay, so that is for make to order. When talking about the make to stock process, means whatever that stock available with the companies, the product available with the company, that you just enter to the big bazaar, and whatever that product available, you just selected and you pay the amount and you come out. That means whatever product is there, you purchase that one. Okay, that is from make to stock and make to order process. But how system will design that configuration level, we'll check it, we'll take it later. Okay, so coming toward the consignment process, third party order process. So consignment, any idea consignment third party process?
A third party we do have Sometimes we don't have a stock in the particular, and then we'll use some third party.
Hmm. Consignment.
Consignment issue.
I want to add something more about third party. That third party, it doesn't matter whether you have stock or not. Okay, so third party means suppose you are selling televisions and you come to know that so many customers are coming who wanted to who are inquiring about the laptop. So just you
Yes.
don't want to keep laptop in your shop, but just you connected with third party vendor, and whenever the such type of customers are coming, then through the third party you are selling, you are delivering that product to the customer, and you just got some that
We
whatever
don't
that.
keep the stocks in third party position.
Yes, yes. So that is called third party order process. And consignment means it is basically about slow moving goods or new launch product. Okay, that means basically uh, the selling of that goods is not so much good. Then in the such type of goods, the consignment process is available. The goods are there, but it is slow moving goods. Or any new launch product is there. Customer is not interested to purchase that product. In short, you can say understand. Customer is not understanding. So what is happening? The seller is also not purchasing from that dealers. Okay. So what the dealers are doing is saying that to the shopkeepers, you just keep this product in your organization, in your shops, and whenever the customer is coming, just explain about the features of the product. And if they interested, then keep the profit in your pocket and just give me the cost price. Okay, in that way, what is happening? The shopkeepers, small shopkeepers, are interested to keep that product in their shops, and if any customers are interested, then they will purchase. They purchase that product. Okay, so in that way, there is a mutual benefit of the seller and that shopkeepers. So in that way, in that scenario, consignment process we approach here. Okay, any question? It's okay, right? So next order, next to stock done. Now coming to the rush order. Rush order, any idea?
Immediately deliver the product.
Yeah, rush as a name says immediate delivery, but payment will be later. It is called rush order. Okay. So this is the only process. And returnable for packaging is whenever that you are purchasing any of the product, there is a uh, chances is there for the that they are providing you that you can they are providing you the facility that you can return the product within 7 days or 10 days like that. So in that way, any of the customer is not interested to keep that product, they can place the return order. Okay, so return order is always created with reference to original invoice. So we hear that return order will get it with reference to original order, and after return delivery will be there. In place of PGI, PGR will be take place. That is called post goods received. Okay, and after that, or with reference to original return order, that return invoice, performa invoice has to be carried out. Okay, performa invoice again, it is just information purpose. Okay, because already customer already paid the amount, so in that case we are raising only performa invoice. Okay. Okay, so this is there. This is just example about the process of consignment, third party, make product, make to stock. We have credit memo process, we have debit memo process. So many processes we are having. Okay, so just example. So what we will do? These are the processes we need to map it. Okay, to map these processes, we have so many things that we need to configure. Okay, that means we need to create the org structure. Okay, org structure contain that what how many sales organization, distribution channel, division, things that will be carried out at that time of implementation project. Again, the project will be so many types of projects are there: implementation project, or support project, or rollout project. Okay, so implementation project, that means client is not using that SAP, and they just implement SAP into their organization. Okay, so in at that time the blueprint document has to be designed and by the senior person, and in that everything will be decided how many sales organizations should be there after the discussion of the client. How many distribution channel divisions should be created. Okay, we are not just creating the sales organization distribution channel, that they are also focusing the how the report will be successful. because at the end of the day, if report is not successful, then each the implementation will to fetch only export report. So distribution channel 3 example, as example we're giving 03 is export, so they will select distribution channels for 03 in the report itself. So they will based on that export export related report will be fetched clearly. Okay, so that is the benefit of that one. Okay, in this is a demo, so you can do anything or only one distribution channel also you are doing, so just understand how the scenario, how the system is behaving, that for understanding purpose you can do it. Okay, so sales office, that the office where that physical the body of the building is for sales office, and the sales group, the employee, the person who is sitting into the sales office for sales group. Okay, sales is nothing but a combination of three things: sales organization, distribution channel, and business. There are so many org structures so that you will see that. We will also configure the SD sales organization org structure or FI org structure, because, for example, company code, without company code we cannot run our OTC process, right? For MM point of view, also the plant and storage location, everything we have to take care. Okay, so when we start the classes, then everything will be created smoothly. Okay, so each and everything will be notes will be given to you properly. Okay, so no need to worry about it. So just a moment. When you're talking about the notes, so notes will be given to you like that. Just get the open that. And just a few batches are running currently. So how what type of notes I am providing to them. So this is just for your reference purpose only. So this is just half of the syllabus completed for the batches. Okay. So in that way, these types of everything, what is the meaning of the each and every fields, what are the meaning of the each and every the fields, and what are the controls, what to click, what to write, everything will be written step to step. Okay, so 100% guarantee you are able to configure the system, and you can able to understand the control zone also. Okay, so these are the assignment. After that, creation of the object structure, each and every enterprise structure has to be linked each other. Okay, so after that assignment, you will come to know what are the MM configuration setting required. Basic MM configuration setting, not each and everything, only the basic that support to our our SD part. Okay, and after the MM setting, there are few that FI settings should be there. Okay, FI configuration setting. Okay, that support our SD part. Okay, not everything. Okay, the thing that is required for our SD process. Okay, and after that, coming to the document master data about customer master, material master, pricing, everything will be taken care. Okay, so after that, business partner as for HANA, what are the prerequisites to create the business partner in as for HANA, everything will come to know. Okay, and after that, they will coming to the cell document, sorry, business partner, what are the BP roles, what are the grouping, everything will come to know here. Okay, so coming to the partner determination procedure, PDP configuration settings. Okay, what are the partner determination procedure configuration setting required to populate into customer master, as well as the order, sales order, delivery, billing, everything settings for the settings required, you will come to know. Okay, what are the how to create the GL account, you will come to know here. Okay, because here if 5% not available, then you need to create the GLs. Okay, and coming to the cell document, order type, delivery type, link type, what is header level, item level, should line level, everything will come to know. Okay, and how system determine whether it is inquiry or quotation, order level, everything, or contract, whatever, you will come to know here. What how to do number the how to assign the sales area to sell document type, what are the number ranges, everything will come to know. Okay, so this is just example so that you will have some confidence. Okay, to understand whether you are at the right place, and how to create the item category, how what are the settings required for the item category determination. These are interview level questions. Okay, and about the schedule line. Okay, and delivery type or billing type, whatever it is. Okay, just example. So everything in this way, step to steps, you have to follow the steps, or what are the controls, everything written, what is the meaning of that. You can ask questions, whatever doubt would be there. You are always welcome. Billing type. Okay, so many billing types are there. Which billing type used for which scenario, everything will be there. What is the meaning, order related, delivery related, what are the return, debit memo, credit memo, cancel billing type, if you want to cancel the billing. Okay, so everything will be there. Okay, pricings, what are the condition, technique, concept, how system determine price, manual or automatic process, everything will be there here. Okay, and condition type, what are the pricing element, whether freight or taxes or base prices. Okay, so what are the controls, what is the meaning of that, each and every fields control overview screen for each and every uh, suppose this is the screen of the condition type. Okay, if we go up, so here it is the condition table. This one, okay, this is the condition type. For this is a screenshot of the condition type for each and every fields, controls and meaning, everything will come to know, and nothing will be skipped here. Okay, so you'll come to know everything, no need to worry. Okay, pricing procedure, having the 16 steps, everything, what is the meaning of that, everything, what is the steps, counter, condition type, description, from to manual indicator, everything, what is the meaning, what is the use, what is the purpose, everything will come to know. How to create, step to step, everything is there. Okay, so no need to worry. Just type for your uh, material ledger settings also required for our OTC process. So this is just for information so that you can build your confidence. Okay, so because there are so many confusions are there, where to go, where not to go. Okay, so this is the GL creation, material master creations. Okay, give me 1 minute. Sorry. So in this way, that my two stock process, just I finished this one. So where the, what is the flow, what is the T code. Okay, and in this way you'll come to know the document flow. Okay, where you can see the inquiry. Just I started the inquiry in OTC process. I that capture the inquiry process also in quotation, order, delivery, picking, PJ invoice. Recently, the 3rd of the October 2024, it is created. Just I finish it. Okay, so after that you'll come to know how to do the amigo, how to add the stocks. Okay, and recently it is created. Okay, so account determination procedure, how system determine the GL. Okay, and what is the combination. Okay, so everything will come to know here. Okay, any doubt up to here, or I will go to the next PPT.
It's clear, Raj.
Okay. So coming toward that, I was speaking to you that whatever the process I explained to you, the work structure we have to define. After that, being master data, we have to take care. Master data, there are custom master, master, custom master, info, for just example. And for that, what are the basic settings are required? For example, custom master, we need to go through that part. Which is not mentioned, that suppose partner determination procedure is there. Okay, so do you have any idea what do you mean by partner determination procedure? uh, Sandeep, right? Sandeep, you already worked, right? 1.5 years.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Yes, yes.
Any idea about partner determination procedure? Your name is Sandeep, right?
Yes, yes. We can use the partner functions about the business process, business transactions.
Mm-hmm.
whatever the business transaction will be there. Right?
Business transactions. Why pattern determination procedure required?
Because we can do the business transactions, right? So we can configure in the specific needs of business.
Which transaction?
Transactions means, I mean, day-to-day transactions is there.
What are the day-to-day transactions? Just like sales order, right? Delivery.
Yes, yes.
These are the
So
transactions.
delivery and
Yeah.
shipping and all.
So we can reflect our partner functions in that transactions also and master data also, right? Customer master, suppose
Yes,
how customer will come to know it is a sold to party or bill to party or pair. Okay, based on that,
ship to party.
yeah. So it will reflect into the customer master only. If it is not reflecting, you cannot save it. Okay, customer master is not possible to save it. So just the to the point answer you have to provide to the interview so that they understand that you know that. Okay, to the point. So
Yes,
if you don't know anything, you just say I don't know. Okay, yes, if you're saying that business transaction, what type of transactions? Okay, so
yes, yes,
uh,
yes,
uh,
yes,
so
yeah.
part determination procedure having that standard four types of functions, just like sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, pair. Sold to party means what? Can you explain these four functions, partner function? If you know, if you don't know, then no. Sold to party, the party means the person who is placing the order is called sold to party. Okay, and ship to party, the person. Suppose you purchase any of the product and you want for your brother and you want to deliver that product to your brother who is living in Bangalore. You are suppose you are living in Delhi and your brother is living in Bangalore. So just you just said that deliver this product to Bangalore. So that your brother is called ship to party. The person who will receive the product is called ship to party. Payer means the person who is paying the amount is called payer, and bill to party means the person who is getting the receipt. Bill receipt is called bill to party. Actually, that sold to party, payer, and bill to party. Actually, it is same, but it depends client to client. All the four that it depends the business to business requirement. All these four partner function can be different. All these four partner functions can be same, or any two same, any two different, or any three same, any one different. Okay, so what are the settings we will come to know in the class. Okay, so this is the interview question, interview level question. Okay, so again the customer may be the one-time customer. Okay, if it is one-time customer, the moment you will create the sales order, why it is one-time customer required. Suppose in a retail project, retail scenario, you don't know whether how many customers are coming. Okay, if you are wholesale process, then you know these are the customer 100, 200, 300, 500, 1000 customers you are having. You can get the data and you can create the customer master. You can get the name, address, everything, all that information you can feed and you can save it. But in the big bazaar, you don't know which customer is coming, how many customers coming, so you don't know the name, you don't know the contact number. So if you have seen that whenever you are going any other retail shop, they asking the mobile number at least. Okay, so that is called one-time customer. Okay, so the moment you will create the sales order, automatically one pop-up will appear and saying that what is the customer name and what is the address, what is the mobile number, email ID. That data you can feed it and you can save it. Okay, and just you can give the material number, quantity, whatever material code, everything, and you can save it. Okay, so that is called a one-time customer. So for business, for a master data itself, there are so few huge questions are available. There are so many questions are there in master data. If interviewer wants, they can take 30 minutes or 40 minutes of interview in master data itself, customer master. Okay, so here in the classes you come to know about each and every field, the functionality about the controls. Okay, so don't worry. Material master is basically about the topic, but material master functionality also you'll come to know how to create it. Okay, coming to the pricing, already I have given that what documents step to step things. It is actually determined based on the condition technique concept. Okay, with the condition table, access sequence condition. These are the little bit are technical. So when you start the classes, you'll come to know these things. Text process, to capture the information whether in master data level or the any of the transaction level or sales order, delivery, billing, whatever it is, that text you can capture it. That is for text processing. That is the functionality. Okay. Suppose the truck number is there. Truck number field is not available in sales order overview screen whenever VA01 T code you are utilizing. So in that case, whether you can take the help of technical consultant, a paper, okay, to do something, some that screen changes, or you can take by your own by the help of text processing. It depends how what approach you want to have. After that, you have to just give the brief training to the users, okay, and in that way, the way that you have to follow, way to capture the way to click and how to read the text processing step page. You have to give the training to the users, and accordingly they will take care later. Okay. Output means after saving the invoices, invoices has to print out where it is saying about the where that it depends client to client. All every client is having their own layout of the receipts. Okay, so it's for the general information just like material number or some material description or basic price or taxes information or freight information. Okay, everything will be captured here. What should be the layout? It it will be decided after the client interaction. Okay, and accordingly with the help of technical consultant we have to design it. Okay, how to print that output also will come to know. So here three goods as the name suggests. So, out of one product, second other product is free is called free goods. Material determination, if any of the product is not available based on that product, you can provide other product is called material determination. Cross selling, material listing. Suppose you know that one of the customer is there who is regularly purchase 100 product regularly. Okay, so that can be easily exclude through material listing. The moment you will enter the customer master, uh, automatically that everything will be fetched automatically. Okay, and exclusion means suppose we want for this customer, whenever the sales order is to be created by end user, you have to be do some restriction that whenever user enter this customer, this particular that material code should not be allowed for this customer. In that case, we can utilize the material exclusion process here. Okay. Any question? Any question? Sandeep, Sachin? Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So material listing exclusion is very good, very good scenario. So this will you'll come to know when you will come when you will see that system behavior. It is very interesting. Okay. So already these things already covered. There are so many things are there in 30-40 minutes of span. I cannot cover everything. Integration with other modules. Okay, just like SDFI, SDMM, SDPP. Integration is also useful in terms of interview. They are asking questions. Okay. So in the credit management or intercompany billing or down payment account determination, on the integration points with FI means whenever they without FI consultant or without FI help, it something is not possible to run. That is called integration. In terms for FI, I'm talking about, or if you're talking about MM, suppose if you're creating sales order without material code, you cannot create it, right? So that's also one of the integration points when doing SD and MM, right? Ability check, but we are not giving that as example. Whenever they are interviewers asking any question integration, you have to give good thing. Okay, not a small thing. Okay, just like ability check and transfer requirement is a good example to speak in the interview. Okay, good movement is one of the good point to speak in the interview. They will be uh, happy to if you speak all of these things. They will be happy to listen all of these things. Okay, so what to speak, what not to speak. I will, if you want, I can give you brief about that one also to support that for the interview point of view.
Yes,
That
yes, yes. We need all this information.
yeah. So this the same thing repeating. Okay, this is just example of the SAP screen solving. how to create. Okay? What are the standard like material master 0102? What is the meaning of 010203? I hope you know that one. Okay, one stand for creation, two stand for change, three stand for display. What are the mask settings 7617, or what is how deletion flag can be uh, done for material master? Deletion flag means you cannot utilize that material code itself. M06 client level or plant level, everything will come to know here. So many material types are there based on the scenario. We have the service material, we have finished goods, okay, semi-finished goods. Okay. So these are the things. So raw material, okay. So material type is required whenever you are creating material master. Okay. Custom masters will come to know how to create these things. The basic some standard that reports also available for the material custom master. Okay. How to block the customer, everything will come to know here. Okay. So the pricing text already explain these things. Okay. Free goods, cross selling, okay. Listing exclusions, condition technique. So how to create the inquiry quotation. Okay, V11, the T codes they mentioned just as SAP screen that I captured here. Okay, sales process. Okay, so everything will come to know. So no need to worry. Just a brief introduction. About the syllabus. Okay, we have this just example I've given. This is in terms of process: make to stock, make to order, consignment, return, credit, memo, debit, memo, cash sales, contact, service processing, intercompany billing, stock transport, STO also will come to know. Third party process, everything step to step will be there. Okay, and it is not written whatever. Okay, table level pins. Okay, table combination. Whenever whatever you are creating, that information we stored somewhere. Okay, based on the table and field combination, how to how that um, logic you can provide to the technical consultant, that based on the table and field combinations only. Okay, interview preparation, just I can help you. Okay, how to answer the questions to the interview. Okay, integration already I told you. Migration topic is one of the important topics. Okay, migration. Where, but actually this will be helpful for you when you start working in the organization. So migration topic. That means suppose in a bulk something you want to create, how to apply the LTMCT code or LSMW. Okay. In mass something you want to create it, because whenever you will go to the organization, it will be everything you have to deal in mass. Okay. So you cannot go one by one. It is time consuming process and eye paining also. Okay. So you should know what are the shortcuts. Shortcut things are there to avoid such type of problem. I hope this small, whatever the timing I have given you, that is sufficient for you to understand. Okay. Any question? Let me know.
Can I ask one thing apart from the subject?
Sorry.
Can I ask you one thing apart from this? Because of I do have a career gap, right? Can I survive into the industry? I mean, is that very difficult to get a job, or can I?
So every problem there is a solution. Okay. Gap actually gap create problem, but you have to fill the gap.
Okay.
I hope you understood.
Yes, yes, I understood.
You can connect with that company. They will guide you. That institute.
Sure, 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 sure,
TECHERP. Yeah.
sure.
Anything else? Sachin, you have any question?
No, no.
Okay. Okay, Binayji, I think that is sufficient. We can close it.
Uh, Hello, Mr. Sandeep.
Yes, yes.
Mr. Sandeep and Mr. Sachin Wagre, you guys have any problem? अगर आप लोग को कोई भी further doubt, कोई further question, if you have any further question, any further doubt, any kind of, so please ask with Raj sir. because Raj sir have more than 18 year of experience, industrial experience here, and sir have done number of national and international projects as well in multiple countries and companies also. Okay. So if you guys
Okay.
have
Okay.
any kind of further question, further doubt related to SAP SD, okay, so don't feel hassle or don't feel any kind of pressure. You can ask whatever question you have. You can ask with Raj sir. You have any further doubt? Please ask Mr. Sachin Wagre and Mr. Sandeep. Please ask. You have.
Okay, okay.
Uh, if you have any doubt, Mr. Sachin Wagre,
Yes, I have one doubt.
please ask. Please ask.
अगर राज सर मेरा जो था जो प्रीवियस वो कंपनी थी तो उसके बाद मेरा 1 ईयर का गैप हो गया अभी,
हम्म।
तो 1 ईयर 1.5 ईयर अभी चल ही रहा गैप, तो उसको कैसे फिल कर सकते हैं?
वो आप विनय जी से बात कर लीजिए, वो हेल्प करेंगे आपको। टेक केयर, सेम थिंग आई आंसर टू
ओके,
संदीप।
ओके जर अब मैं वैसे ही गया, अभी मेरे को 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है, तो मैं 1 ईयर के लिए
नहीं,
गया तो
आपको आपको गैप को
कुछ
फिल
चला।
करना होगा, आपको गैप को फिल करना होगा। ठीक है,
अच्छा वो तो
हर
फिर
हर एक
अच्छा,
प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन होता है, तो गैप को आपको फिल करना
मिस्टर
पड़ेगा।
सचिन, आपका जो गैप है वो आफ्टर
हाँ
जॉब है
हाँ,
या बिफोर जॉब है?
आफ्टर जॉब।
मतलब आप पहले जॉब किए फिर गैप हो गया, राइट?
हाँ हाँ राइट।
ठीक है,
मेरा
डोंट
थोड़ा
वरी,
बहुत वही
वो
था।
फिल करना पड़ेगा, वो हम आपको इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन में आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे।
ओके ओके।
हम्म।
So, Raj sir, how
तो
many
यार फर्दर डाउट।
how many days? No?
हाँ हाँ, बोलिए।
How many days it will take to complete all this? I mean, this S4HANA and SPSD course. How many days
कितना
it will take?
कितना टाइम में आपको फिनिश करना है?
No, 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 no. Generally, I'm asking because of we have to plan my schedule as well.
Approx it is 2.5 or 3 months.
Okay, okay, okay.
सर आप कितना लेंगे लाइव प्रोजेक्ट रियल टाइम?
क्या क्या?
प्रोजेक्ट कितना लेंगे? प्रोजेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट
प्रोजेक्ट इन द सेंस?
प्रोजेक्ट इन द सेंस कि आप रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट सिखाओगे ना हमको?
हाँ, रियल टाइम बताऊंगा आपको।
हाँ तो 1 2 हाउ मेनी प्रोजेक्ट यू कैन टीच अस?
There are so many scenarios are there. Okay, there are multiple. Don't worry about it.
ओके
There's no end of that.
ओके।
Any other question?
So will be covered all these kind of projects, right? I mean, rollout and migration and implementation as well, right?
Yes,
Will you
yes,
explain all this? All
yes, yes. Everything, everything I mentioned
yes,
also.
yes, yes. I mentioned it. Thank you, sir. As of now, it's very clear. So, thank you, sir.
Mr.
Thank you
Sandeep
for.
and Mr. Sachin Wagre, any further doubt, any further question?
नो
I
नो।
don't have any doubts. Sir.
Okay, Mr. Sandeep and Sachin, आप प्लीज stay here. आप लोग प्लीज
Yeah,
रुकिएगा
sure,
2 मिनट।
sure,
Thank you,
sure.
Raj
ओके
sir. Thanks for this very valuable demo and very valuable class.